Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is February 13 and the chart of the day for today is the pound yen 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here we ended with 2 intermediate degree at 185.22. That means we are now within with 3 to the upside, which subdivides into 5 waves. This is 1 2 3 4, and then now looking for wave 5 in the minute degree. Once that is complete, that should be ending 1 in the minor degree and pull back, and then continues to extend higher. Now I think I have already looked at multiple time frame in this pair, right? And I think in the medium time frame, I can still see a couple of different equally good possible path in the medium term. So I think what I can say here about the pound yen is only in the shorter cycle that you have a pretty good high probability it will extend higher, only in the shorter cycle. But then in the medium term, once that extension higher is complete, then I think there are equally probable path, right? So that's why the focus is probably more in terms of the short term here rather than the medium term. So the 1 hour here, you can see, okay, first of all, we have this 1 2 3 4. It is very clear to me this is so far only 4 waves, guys. So that means I think very likely we're gonna be extending higher to finish 5 waves up from here. Right? Now again, after we finish the 5 waves, then there are a couple of possible options where we might be seeing a larger pullback and so on, or a smaller pullback. But at the least in the shorter cycle, which I think is the higher probability here, we should at least see more upside to break above this eventually. Now we still can see a double here, but I doubt it, right? A double in the wave 4, because we have not broken above wave 3 yet. So double is a possible, of course, a possibility, but I doubt it because this rally looks impulsive to me. So I think most likely we should be extending higher against this 4 here, which is 187.8, and you should see a clear 5-way subdivision here to finish with 5, and then that will end this entire rally once you see a clear 5-way subdivision here, right? And a possible target on the upside using is sort of like the minimum sort of possible target for wave 5 is using the 1.236 external retracement, which is going to be this area, this level here, right? It's between 1.236 and 1.618 is a possible target here. 189 to 189.5. I'm not saying that will be in the end, but that will be sort of like the minimum expectation usually to measure with 5. And this, the most important thing is the subdivision of this needs to be a clear 5 waves, right? And this is sort of the usually in the minimum expectation before we finish with 5. Okay, so again, I just want to focus on the short term here because that's where I think the higher probability is, and the higher probability is that we should continue to see more upside against this low 187.8 and see more upside minimum 189 to 189.4. okay, so that's the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.